In the ditch! In the ditch! That's...
Back off. Hey, back off. Motorhome, what the hell?
A powerful band of lake effect snow swept across southern Muskoka today, wreaking havoc on roads and communities. The snowstorm, which began shortly after midnight, dumped 20 to 30 centimeters of snow over a grueling 12-hour period.
Lake effect is in effect right now. Yeah, I'd say we got about 3 to 4.
By midday, there was a brief glimpse of sunshine, signaling the storm's tapering intensity. However, the damage and disruptions caused during the storm's peak were already significant.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is really hard.
Visibility plummeted during the morning's furious snowfall, yet drivers braved treacherous roads. On Highway 11 southbound, a collision near exit 175 created major delays as vehicles, including transports, struggled to navigate the snow-covered streets.
কারণ এখন স্নোফলস হচ্ছে এই মুহূর্তে লাইভে যুক্ত হয়েছেন শ্রাবন্তী রাজ দিদি
Municipal roads in Gravenhurst and nearby towns were impassable in many areas, with plows working tirelessly to clear the way.
All right, thank you all. And never turning your back on me. You want to meet them? All right. Everyone, meet Brian.
Gravenhurst, Bracebridge, Bala, and Port Carling were among the hardest hit areas, while northern Muskoka fared slightly better. The storm brought memories of the massive early winter snowfall of 100 centimeters in November and December, marking this as one of the harshest winters in years.
Pete Fisher, today's Northumberland, on scene of a multi-vehicle accident on Highway 401 west of Coburg. Highway 401 west of Coburg will be shut down for most of the day. Serious collision involving numerous vehicles. You can see the conditions on the roadway. This is just a heads up for now. Numerous people have been injured. I don't know how many. One is in serious condition. But at this time, Highway 401...
Environment Canada issued a snow squall warning early in the day and lifted it by late afternoon as the storm began to shift southward. While some snow is expected over the next 24 hours, it will be minor compared to today's deluge. Temperatures are set to dip to -3 degrees Celsius overnight, with a brief warming trend by midday tomorrow.
We've got this tow truck actually down in the ditch. It was towing this vehicle, and they both ended up in the ditch as they came around this ramp. We've got snow coming down, roads are wet, salters have been out, but again, you gotta watch those advisory speed limits, watch your traffic ahead of you, and be prepared to adjust your driving accordingly. You know, unfortunately, we've got this problem here right now with this tow, stuck down in the.
Meanwhile, across Ontario, icy conditions and heavy snowfall continued to cause chaos. Regina police reported 35 vehicle collisions in just 48 hours, including 5 with injuries. They urged drivers to exercise caution, especially with hidden icy patches lurking beneath seemingly clear roads. The dangers extended to recreational activities as well. A tragic snowmobile accident in Huron County claimed the life of a 58-year-old man. Ontario has already received more snow this winter than all of last year. Lake effect snow squalls, fueled by the warm Great Lakes, are a major contributor. As temperatures plunge in the coming days, more localized snow squalls are expected, accompanied by some of the coldest weather in recent years. Residents are advised to prepare for rapidly changing conditions as additional snow systems sweep through the province. Though a brief weekend warm-up is on the horizon, Arctic air is poised to return, plunging temperatures. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.